We were recently tasked by a department store on Oxford Street to renovate this heavily soiled porcelain floor. While the tiles were in good condition, the grout lines were deeply ingrained with dirt. We started with a professional grade alkaline cleaner and mechanical agitation to break down years of soil. To ensure a perfect finish, we applied several coats of Tile Doctor Grout Colourant. This not only restored the bright white look, but added a protective barrier against future staining. The result is a revitalized, hygienic bathroom that's built to last.